Today I want you to practice percent proportions with Edpuzzle. Problem number 1 says, an ice cream shop keeps track of the various orders in the table below. You'll notice they sell 36 vanilla, 26 chocolate, 18 strawberry. I'd like to think those are cones. The question is, what percent of the customers choose vanilla ice cream? I want you to stop me here, work it out, and then come back when you have an answer. So the very first thing you need is, according to our percent proportion, we're going to need a total number of cones sold. So if you add 36 and 26 and 18, you will find they sell 80. The total number goes on the bottom left. So what this says is 36 out of the 80 cones are vanilla, and I want to know what percent out of 100 that would be. So you're going to pick up your calculator, multiply 36 times 100, and then divide by 80, and you should have gotten 45%. Problem number 2 reads, at Wilson Middle School, 25% of the 124 students Mrs. Weeks teaches buy their lunches in the cafeteria. How many students do not purchase their lunches in the cafeteria? Again, I need you to pause me while you work this out and then come back when you're ready to check. If you set it up like I did, 25%, a total of 124 students, this will tell you how many do purchase their lunches from the cafeteria. So we can go ahead and get started this way. If we multiply 25 times 124 and we divide, that came out not so great. Let me undo that. If we did then divide by 100, that is how many do buy their lunch. That would be 31 kids. So if I want to figure out how many do not, I take my total 124, take out the kids that do buy their lunch, and what you're left with is 93 students who do not buy their lunch in the cafeteria. Your next problem reads, the Spring Fling Dance sold 176 tickets during the first 2 days of sales. This was 32% of the total sales. How many tickets were sold to the Spring Fling Dance? Again, you're pausing me while you work, and then you're coming back when you are ready. So notice my setup. I'm wondering if you put this 176 in the denominator. This is only part of the ticket sales, only the part they sold in those 2 days. It is not the total, and therefore it goes in the numerator. So when I take 176 times 100 and I divide by 32, my answer is there were 550 tickets sold for the Spring Fling Dance. Your last problem reads, walnuts are priced according to the chart below. 3 pounds will cost you $7.77. 5 pounds will cost you $12.95. And 8 pounds will cost you $20.72. I'm going to tell you that the rate, the price per pound, is the same no matter how many pounds you buy. So the question is, what is the price per pound for the walnuts? Pause me while you work this out. Since it did not matter which option I chose, the 3 pounds, 5 pounds, 8 pounds, I'm just going to pick the first one, the 3 pounds. So I asked for the price first, and the price was $7.77. Per means you're going to divide. And then I asked for the pounds second. That was 3. If I divide those, the walnuts sold for $2.59 per pound.